Same one that asked the question before. Can anything be done for the numbness in his right hand?
Yes, yes. Right hand or left hand? All right, come along.
Where do you want me to sit?
Yes, sit down anywhere. Anywhere you can sit down. Now, where have you been to? Which guru?
Not a guru.
Someone like that.
I've been to doctors, but I got told this off the president of the Victorian Spiritualist Union.
That's how you got it. All right. So put left hand towards me, right hand on the Mother Earth. Left hand towards me, right hand. Can you put a light for him? Just arrange. You can go at the back and they'll arrange it for you. All right. How to sit down? Give him something like that to sit down. Same style. All right. Anybody else? Better now. All right? Better? See. No more weight lifting. All right? ऐसा
आया का मतलब मैं नहीं समझा।
हाथ में ठंडक सी आएगी। आ रही है? बस ठीक, काम बन रहा है।
Everybody should put their hands out towards Mother.
Now, you do one thing. First of all, you put the left hand towards me and right hand on the Mother Earth.
Like this, flat on the earth with your right hand, left hand towards Mother.
Those who are sitting at a higher level can do this way, is to put left hand towards me and like that towards the Mother Earth.
Mother,
Yes.
what is the easiest way to counteract negativity of other people around you?
What's the easiest way to counteract negativity of other people around you?
You see, there are many ways by which, first of all, you get your realization, all right? Once you are realized, try to keep in thoughtless awareness. When you think of those people, if the thought comes to you, you should say, I forgive, I forgive. That's the mantra for that, one of them in the thought process. But otherwise, if they are harmful to you, you write down their names in your hands and just move your hand like this. Once, twice and thrice. It works. They don't trouble you anymore. So many things will work out with this. You try this principle. It's very good. Anything, this is we call as bandhan. We call it as the protection. So you write anything that you want to do, just put your hands like this, it works out. It's wonderful because the power is flowing through your fingertips and you can manage it, anything like that. Also, there are other ways by you can avoid, but when you will come next, they will tell you how to do it. Now it's better now?
I'm getting comfortable.
Uncomfortable. Give him this thing.
Not much better now.
That's what it is. The Victoria has done. The Victoria Institute of Spirits. Poor Victoria Queen. Why to call her name, I don't know. Now put your right hand towards me. All of you. And left hand like this. Like this at the back. Put it at the back. See the cool breeze coming? It's there. See now. That's shaking before me. That's Victoria Institution.
I only tried.
All right. Put your left hand.
It's a position. Just
It's a
face
position.
Face it.
That has to go first and then you will be all right. All right? It'll clear out. It'll clear out. Just do that way. It's like just the connection. Now if you are a right-sided person, you are just putting like this. Now you are connected. So what happens? The vibrations start flowing through here, clear out your right side completely. And it goes into the atmosphere, into the ether. We use the ether, the akasha. And if you want to have better results, better use also the water. Such people who have right-sided problems should sit in the water with a little salt. Those who have left-sided problems should use the light. They'll tell you all about it, you have to come back again, all right? If you don't mind. Put your right hand towards me. Right hand towards me. Go, close your eyes. Forgive everyone. ठीक है, आप गायत्री बंद करिए अभी यहाँ के पहले सहयोग सीखो, फिर समझ लो गायत्री क्या चीज है। सम्यक ज्ञान होना चाहिए, मस्ट नो इंटीग्रेटेड नॉलेज, नॉट जस्ट गायत्री समवेयर समथिंग एल्स। यू कम एंड नो अबाउट इट, व्हाट इज गायत्री, what is what, everything must be known, and you just start doing something with your own ideas is not proper. You have to know. हाँ, वही तो ब्राह्मणों का दिमाग इसी से खराब हो गया। पहले ब्राह्मण हो जाओ, पहले ब्रह्म को जानो, बड़ा वन साइडेड मामला ऐसा है ना। ठीक है, बस माँ समझ के हो जाएगा बेटे, थोड़ा सा इम्बैलेंस आ गया है ना, समझ लेना चाहिए। कुछ तो दोष आ ही गया है, उस दोष को ठीक नहीं करना क्या, अपने को क्या करने का है भाई। गायत्री भी तो हमारे लिए है ना, सब चीज हमारे लिए, अगर हमें उससे लाभ होता है तो लेना है, नहीं होता तो नहीं। बेटर नाउ, रिलैक्स्ड। डायबिटीज है आपको, यहाँ आइए। अब पुट बोथ द हैंड्स टुवर्ड्स मी। आप क्या करते हैं? यू नो हिंदी? हाँ, Tamil. All right, sit down. You don't know Hindi at all. All right, sit down. So what do you do? What work do you do?
Now I'm a housewife.
Only housewife.
Before I was a teacher.
Ah, that's why.
Teacher.
Only a teacher can get diabetes, not a housewife. Because you think too much.
Must be.
You think too much, isn't it? Think too much. All right. Now put your right hand towards me.
Other way.
And left hand like this. सिंदूर नहीं लगाते, आओ कुमकुम लगा। हाँ, now we are all right, fine. अब ठीक हो तुम, और तुम्हारा भी स्क्रू जरा ढीला हो गया उससे। बेटे अब उस पर ज्यादा सोच विचार नहीं करो, सोच विचार से और बढ़ जाता है ये प्रॉब्लम। तुम्हारा राइट साइडेड है, तुम अब आके यहाँ सीखो ध्यान कैसे करने का, अपने को शांत कर लो पहले। बात ही हिंदुस्तानी लोग पढ़ते जरूरत से ज्यादा है और असलियत पे नहीं उतरते, ये लोग बड़े जल्दी उतर जाते हैं। तुम लोग जानते ज्यादा और मानते कम। अभी अभी देखो हाथ में आ रहा है ठंडा, अब आ रहा है ना, अब तो अनुभव आ रहा है। अनुभव नहीं भी हो तो भी पढ़ने की एक हद होती है। कबीरदास जी ने कहा है, पढ़ी पढ़ी पंडित मूर्ख भय। इसी भी इंडियंस नो अ लॉट, हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस। So first of all we have to neutralize all that is known. Surdas, who was a great poet, he wrote the whole of Sursagar, means the ocean of Sur. And then afterwards he says, "O Lord, take away my avidya, non-knowledge." The one who is standing before you must recognize. Ah. Now, are you all right?
I'm feeling very much better now.
No, but you hear what she said. The one who is standing before you, you must recognize.
Indians have a greater capacity because they know what it is. You must understand. You see, but they understand more than you do. That's surprising. Not in India. India is different, of course. We have a tradition.